Les adjectifs possessifs, possessive adjectives, set to Heartless by Kanye West. In real life, when speaking French, when you're saying who an owner is, there are words used just for this. They're called possessives. You need to use possessives. You need to use possessives. Be careful as you match the words, both number and gender, have you heard? With the item possessed it must go, not the owner, now you know. Mes devoirs, tes vélos, sa voiture, leur carte cadeau. Notre classe, vos blousons, son gâteau et ma maison. When saying my, use mon, ma, me. Saying your, use ton, ta, te. When saying his and her, use son, sa, se. They're called possessives. When saying our, use notre, no. Saying your, use votre, vos. Belonging to more than one person, leur, leur. They're called possessives. You need to use possessives. You need to use possessives. When using possessives, you match the number and gender of the item being possessed. As in, the cahier is masculine singular, so son cahier means her notebook. It also means his notebook. With amis, which is plural, you would make it nos amis for our friends so that they're both plural. And to say their mom, mère, is feminine singular, so you pick leur, which is singular, to mean their mom. So in a way, you work backwards from the cahier and the ami and the mère back to the possessive.